The ResMed Quattro Air full face mask with headgear is the lightest CPAP mask on the market. This lightweight design, combined with a cushion that protects the area of your face around your nose and mouth, makes the Quattro one of the most comfortable CPAP masks available as well. The mask cushion inflates as air flows into the Quattro, causing it to grip to your face without leaving painful facial impressions. The headgear is easy to attach and does not impair your vision, letting you read, watch television, or converse at your leisure while you're wearing the mask. Key features of the Quattro Air full face mask include quick to clean design, a clear line of vision, and it's great for side sleepers. The ResMed Quattro Air full face mask is an extremely lightweight mask with innovative features that's ideal for treating your sleep apnea comfortably.